First of all, I'll never snap in anger. We are strong. We are smart. No, we're not. We're just hiding out there. Can you stop? You're making us embarrassed. Now you're just making us embarrassed because you can't handle your own pressure. That's what Sugar Cookie created us for. Not only having problems, but having anger issues with ourselves.
Guys, be quiet. Once we get that monkey, he can automatically fix us, separate us, and most likely bring us back all together.
So we can't live in the same body like we can't live in the same body like this. No, we can live in the same body together because you can't hold your coolness. No, that's not true. I can hold my coolness and we can separate this out.
But we're four. We're monsters. Why are they put bio-suit? I'm being sad. We need help. We need help. We need help. We need help. Oh my gosh. We need help. We need help. We need help. We need help. We need help.
Gingerbread Monster, are you okay?
I feel so disgusted. And now I feel enraged.
We're working. Door open. Oh my goodness!
It's time for you to run.